Great day everybody, welcome to Skill Up Dimension. Today we got here for you another video from very popular mobile game called Summoner's War. And today I would like to show you the super safe team for Giants B12. So during this video you can see in the background several of our runs, so you could actually make an image of how this team works. But basically, as you can see, the team consists of 5 monsters: Sigmarus, what is the Water Phoenix; Naomi, what is Wind Martial Cat; nextly it is Light Cowboy Girl Lorraine, Dark Ifrit Vermouth, and Fran, the Light Fairy Queen. In the end of the video we will talk about their runes too, but for now let's shortly talk why this team works so well. Basically, first of all, I would like to mention one thing. During you are watching this video, you can see that the Naomi is only 34 level. What basically is not all, because Naomi is actually only 5-star monster at the time, and the team is still working on 100%. That's true. This team is so safe that even with one of them at the only 5-star, we can easily win it, as you can see during those runs. But why actually this team works so well? So first of all, we got here Sigmarus. As you can see, his huge advantage is the leader skill, which is adding plus 44% of HP to all of our monsters. Nextly, huge advantage of Sigmarus is actually damage proportional to the enemy max HP, what, when you think about the max HP of the final boss giant, is actually huge. And in the end, the Sigmarus is decreasing the attack power of the enemy. What is, I would say, crucial, because the giant is dealing so huge damage that if we would not decrease it, he would easily swipe any of our monster. But thanks to this ability, we are quite safe. Next we got here Vermouth, which huge advantage is actually that he removes harmful effects every round. Basically what is really good, because the right crystal of the giant decreases the defense of all enemies, what means it decreases our defense. So basically think about the damage which giants deals, and if we would have decreased defense at the same time, we would just all die. So thanks to Vermouth's remove effect passive skill, we are quite safe. Next thing at the Vermouth is continuous damage, of course, because with the first skill he is dealing the continuous damage, and actually in the combination with other of our monsters it's working quite well at the final boss. Next one is Naomi, in our case the 5-star Wind Martial Cat, second Awaken. As you will see in the end of the video, the Naomi is not only 5-star monster, but she actually is not even skilled up. But actually why she is so good monster for Giant B12? Basically, she is decreasing the attack bar with her skill, what means that Giant will not attack as often as he would do normally. What again increase the chance of our team to survive. And nextly, she has actually 100% critical rate if the enemy has a harmful effect, what, as you can see at the final boss, it's actually the main strategy, because we are dealing him as the continuous damages, we are decreasing his attack, we are decreasing his defense, so actually he has too many harmful effects on himself, actually the maximum possible amount. But not only that she is increasing her critical rate 200%, but at the same time, if the enemy has a harmful effect, she has plus 20% for every harmful effect. So basically she is dealing 20% more damage for every harmful effect, what, as you can see again at the final bosses, is a huge amount of damage, huge amount of work. And think about it, she's not even 6-star yet. Nextly we got here Lorraine, what is Wind Cowboy Girl. Basically her advantages are that she slows speed of the enemy, what again increases our chances to beat the giant, because he is not attacking as often as he would normally do. Nextly, she removes beneficial effects, what means that every time that the left crystal increases his attack power, she is able to actually remove this beneficial effect from the giant, what again make it safer for us, because GB12 normally deals a huge amount of damage. But when you think about the defense decreasing effect plus the attack power increasing effect for the giant, basically it's impossible to survive it. So this is why we are trying to removing his beneficial effects and removing our harmful effects at the same time. Nextly, Lauren is able to decrease the attack bar too, so actually he is again not attacking as often as he normally would. And in the end, she is weakens the defense of the giant. What means that even we are trying to deal him huge damage with the continuous damages, but thanks to Naomi and Sigmaru's skills based on huge damage actually, by the weakens the defense, we can kill the giant faster and more easy actually. The last but not least in the team is the friend, the light fairy queen. Her huge advantage for our team is that she's increasing the attack power of our team, so again we can kill the giant faster, plus she removes harmful effects. And as a bonus, she grants immunity. That means that in the next round we are unable to get harmful effect again, what is really great. So this is why this team works so well for all of us. As you can see in the background, we are just running one giant after another. We are every time winning against him. Basically I went 75 rounds of a giant in a row, and then I just ended because I had no more space in the inventory. But yeah, this team is super safe, and as you can see it would be even safer if the Naomi would be 6-star, fully skilled up. During the rounds you could notice the strategy of the team. Basically at the second stage we are not fighting against all of the enemies, we are going straight for middle boss, and the same at the final stage. As you can see, we are going straight for the giant. We don't give a damn about the crystals, because actually what we doing with the crystals, we ignoring them, because thanks to our skills we are countering them. Because in the end the left crystal is increasing the attack power of the giant. What means that when we remove the beneficial effect from the giant, we actually counter the left crystal. At the same time, the right crystal decreasing the effect of all enemies. What means that decreases our defense. But for this, of course, as I said already, we have the Wormos and the Fran too. So basically this is why we are going straight for the boss, and yeah, it's working quite well. If you would like to know, as you can see during the video, but yeah, the average speed for this team is around 2 minutes. But I still think about it that Naomi is really only the 5-star, so basically if I would 6-star her, I believe it could be even faster, maybe below the 140 or even the 130. But okay, ladies and gentlemen, this was all for the boss. Now let's check out the runes of all of the monsters. Okay, so firstly we got here Sigmarus, Water, Phoenix. As you can see here, overall stats. Here you can see that he is fully skilled up. Here you can see the runes, it's Violent and Revenge. At 2 it is Speed, Critical Rate and Attack. And here you can see the artifact, basically one and the second one. Next we got here Naomi. Here you can see the stats, 62% critical rate, 200 critical damage. Speed is really low. Basically I could rune her up so much better, but I had no time. I just wanted to record this really safe team, for which of course I thank to my viewers, because they wrote this team to the comment that they are using this team, so I basically wanted to try it, and it is really safer than our previous team for the GB12. So basically thank you guys. If you want, you can check out the second team too, but basically here you can see that she is not even skilled up, not even one power up, but she is second Avaken, and her runes are Rage and Blade with stats attack plus percent attack, critical damage and attack again. As you can see, she has no artifact too. Next we got here Lauren. Here you can see again the stat, the skills are fully skilled up. Avaken of course, and here you can see her runes, which are Violent and Focus, because we really focused a little bit for her accuracy. So basically speed, HP and defense. Next we got here the Wermos. Here you can see again the stats. Basically he is again fully skilled up, Avaken, and his runes are Violent and Revenge with speed, HP and HP. And as you can see here the artifacts too. And the last but not least is the Fran, the Light Fairy Queen. Here you can see her stat. Basically she is fully skilled up, because it's not hard when you can skill up her basically with all of the fairies in the game. She is Avaken of course, and here you can see her runes, so twice Endure and Will, so with stats speed, HP and HP. But okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is all for this video. I really hope I helped you. I really hope you liked it. If you know about any other super team for the Summoner's War, for any giant, for any dungeon, for anything, just you can write it down below to the comment what you are using actually. And if you want to see more tutorial videos from Summoner's War, just hit the like button. And if you want to support this channel, please hit the subscribe button, or you can become our patron at the Patreon page, by what you can support our tutorial series at all. But okay, that is actually really all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, have a nice day, and see ya at the next video. Goodbye.